Every time I go out, just for 5 seconds, I come back and somehow she's in the cage with the puppies. This grandma is trying to steal Two-Face's puppies. She's trying to imprint herself on them puppies by feeding them nothing but dusty ass titty milk. They ain't had no milk in about 4 years. Why would you want to do this? You better start checking them. You better start getting some respect. They're gonna eat you alive in a minute. Hey! Bite them, Belly. No! Tell them, Belly. Get them, Belly. Don't let them bite you like that. Check their ass, Belly. So why would you break in there? And how did you get in there? Would you lift the cage up at the bottom? Because I know your big ass didn't climb under over.